Hello everybody. Today I am going to say a few words about peace. Peace begins with a smile. I absolutely agree. A smile can light up a room. So imagine what a world of smiles can do. If someone does something nice to someone else, it will create a ripple effect. And that is the same thing with peace. Peace is the mother of progress. Without peace, a nation cannot make progress. Peace is the feeling that everything is right with the world. How do I feel it? When everyone in my family and neighborhood is happy, I feel at peace. But most importantly, peace starts with me, as I love and respect others around me. So I end my speech by telling everyone to keep smiling because peace begins with a smile. Thank you.